Hi, my name is Surya Tripathi. I am Salesforce Application Architect in Cloud Logging. So this is my website www.strapathi.com. So you can find my certifications and my details here if you want to hire me and if you like my video. So today I'm going to give you a quick demo on one of the recent project which I did for one of our customers. So what they wanted me to do is just to let you know the project which I did was in Commerce Cloud. So I'll have to. So what they wanted me to do is they wanted to integrate their platform with Session with Commerce Cloud so that they can assign their customers some offers and they can control that which offer which offer their user can apply. So let me just give you a quick walkthrough of their system. So this is their system, and these are the available offers which they have, and they can build it custom, and they can build it and many more. So I will just go ahead and assign myself one of this offers. So I have already given myself some more offers. So when I go to the site Genesis Commerce Cloud website, you will see more details there. So as you can see here, now what I will do is I already have added one product in the cart, so I will just go ahead and remove it so that you can see from the beginning that how it works. So what I will do is I will just place an order with this suit and I will add it to the cart and I will click on the go straight to checkout. Now you will see this continue to billing button here and just click on this continue to billing. Now you can see that I have 5 offers here. Previously it was 4, now I have 5 offers, which because I recently given myself one more offer from here. So what I can do is I can just apply one or more as many offers as I want and it will work perfectly. So I just applied one offer here and you can see that offer discount is added in my cart. Now I can apply more or I can just click on the checkout. So what I will do is I will just apply one more that you can see that it works. So as you can see that the offer discount is now $10. And now what I will do is I will just go ahead and check out from here. I will just place 121. Like this is a dummy credit card, so it is not going to be arriving on my home. Don't worry about it because it just dummy. Now as you can see that the order discount from session M is here and the total discount is $10. So what I will do is I will just go ahead and place the order here. Now what I will do is I will try to find out this order in the merchant here. So what I will do is I will just go to the orders and I will see that my order is placed or not with correct details. So this was my order number. I will just search my order from this order number and as you can see that it is saved. Now we will see that uh, are the session M offers are applied or not. As you can see that the offers are applied and the total was deducted from by $10. So now what they wanted me to do is whenever these offers are applied, they wanted to get a notification in the session M or they wanted to see it that this offer is redeemed or not. So as you can see that this offer is not yet redeemed because the last offer redeemed was by 5:58 a.m. So for that, what I did was uh, I created a batch for them, which will run and which will update the session every time when the offer is getting redeemed. So now what I will do is I will just run my batch. So here is my batch. Do is I will just click on this run now button, try to refresh it and see that if it works. As you can see that it worked. So it will take a little bit time to arrive here. So just activity and log. The session name is not yet updated, and now as you can see that uh, I have uh, I have applied for this one, and the offer is redeemed. As you can see, more of them, because I had two orders in place which are not yet redeemed, and the batch was not run for them. So as you can see that those offers are redeemed, and you can go ahead and see it in redeem section for offers as well. So as you can see that 8:20 a.m. 8:20 a.m. and the $5 offers were redeemed. So this is what I did. So let me know if you liked my video, and if you have some work regarding Commerce Cloud or Marketing Cloud. I know Marketing Cloud as well, and I am application architect of Salesforce, so I know pretty well Salesforce as well. As you can see my certifications. So feel free to contact me. Thanks.